Did you know guinea pigs can hiccup? Yep, it's a real thing and it's adorable. So why do guinea pigs get hiccups? Just like us, it happens when their diaphragm gets a little twitchy. Usually it's nothing to worry about. They might hiccup if they eat too fast, get excited, or even when they're just chilling. How cute is that? But if your little buddy's hiccups seem frequent or if they're acting weird, it's time to call the vet. Otherwise, just enjoy the tiny, adorable hiccups. Keep an eye out for these funny moments and maybe have your camera ready. Who wouldn't want to capture that cuteness? Got any fun guinea pig stories? Share them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more adorable pet facts. See you next time.